So today we're breaking down the difference between Zoom meetings and Zoom webinars. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to use. So most people think they're basically the same. But once you see how each one actually works, you'll realize they create totally different experiences. One is perfect for interaction, while the other feels like a professional broadcast. And most users choose the wrong one without even knowing. Here's what I discovered. A Zoom meeting is built for collaboration. Everyone can talk, share screens, turn on video, and jump into the conversations. Think team meetings, classes, or small group discussions. A Zoom webinar, on the other hand, is built for presentation. You get registration pages, question and answers, attendee engagement tools, and a format where viewers can watch without interrupting the speaker. So here's the simple rule. Use Zoom meeting for collaboration, team calls, workshops, study groups, and brainstorm. Use Zoom webinars when you need structure, presentations, trainings, product launches, and large audiences. Both are powerful, but only if you choose the right one for the right purpose. Next, I'll show you the hidden settings that instantly make any Zoom session look more professional. Check that out on the next one. And if this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which one you use the most.